A lot of the videos on YouTube is always about new devices and it comes out of the box and it smells delicious and it's always shiny. So I think in this video, I'm going to show you how the Yarbo is doing 5 months later, because this is one of my favorite robots, and at the end of the video, there's a little treat for you as well. Now, if you've been following the channel, it is no secret that I like robots. I have quite a few robots for all sorts of things on the farm, and obviously lawn is a big one. We have about 6,000 square meters of lawn, and Yarbo, or Chonk as I call it because it's huge. Again, if you haven't seen my original video, it was very popular and I pulled the car with it. It's fantastic. Anyway, go check out the video. I use mowers all the time, and Chonk here runs twice a week, 3 times a week, depending on weather, and it just never skips a beat. So I use it all the time for all sorts of things. In particular, of course, mowing the lawn. And I use the follow me mode quite a bit as well. Come on, Chunk, because of course you can tow a trailer and we can put firewood and garden waste and all sorts of it in. Come on. I want to talk about maintenance, because with these robots and any other machinery, it's always about maintenance, isn't it? You've got to keep it running. So how much work is involved in keeping one of these huge things running? Really not a lot, if I'm honest. Yeah, I use it, as I said, 2 or 3 times a week. It gets really dirty sometimes because of dust and dirt and spray and water and whatever it might be, right? So I wipe it off, you make sure I clean it up. I make sure the blades are loose on the cutter, of course, like you would do on a normal lawnmower. Just make sure they're sharp. One thing with this, of course, is that you do need to grease these tracks, so the inside of the tracks where it runs on the little wheels. And we just have a bucket of, it's special grease that's meant for that sort of stuff. You can get it, well, anything for cogs and, you know, that sort of machinery. And I just have a little toothbrush and we grease up the tracks every couple of weeks probably. That's probably the most maintenance that you'll see. But yeah, it doesn't require much at all compared to sitting on the ride-on for hours and hours and hours. It's very well worth it. One thing I would love for this, which I don't think you can get yet, is a roof or some sort of enclosure for it. This is not the ideal spot in terms of weather, but it's an ideal spot in terms of where the power is and access to the lawns. It's just, I'm worried about the UV and what that might cost. Nothing so far. This middle bit has discolored a little bit, but that's about it. That's like a rubbery thing. I would love for there to be some sort of cover for it, but maybe that's coming. And then the one thing, if I have to mention a niggle with it, is this charging plate that it sits on. 99% of the time it works beautifully. It backs up, it charges, and everything is fine. A couple of times in these 5 months I've had it, it had stopped charging and Chonk just runs out of power, and then you can't communicate with it and you got to plug it in manually with a cable at the back here. Not a huge deal, it's just odd. And as soon as you do that and you move it around a bit, and then it charges fine. So I'm not sure if it gets positioned incorrectly a little bit or whatever's happening, and maybe it's just a software update that can fix it. I'm not sure. But that's probably the only little niggle I have. Maintenance wise, it's super simple, really. Just grease up those tracks. And then of course there is the app. Like any good robot, there is an app, and the app is really important. And I had a couple of little niggles when I did the first video, and I'm very happy to report that those have been fixed. The app is actually improving all the time. One of the things I thought was really annoying was you had to go through these like 3 or 4 menus to even get it started. Now that's like 2 clicks. So they really have listened, I think. It's become a lot better. One of the things I would love to see is that you can see here, it's a little bit long for Chunk. It's not too bad, but that module, even though it looks huge, it's actually full of little blades, and it's meant for pretty lawn or just grass. I have a lot of stuff on the farm that isn't just grass, that is thick and tall and rough and all sorts. And I would love to have a module, because obviously, you know, the Yarbo is a modular device. You can take the mower off and you can put the control module on like I did before to get them to follow me. But apparently there is one coming. It's called the Lawnmower Pro, and I've seen it on Yarbo's website that it should come this year, 2025. And that would be pretty cool. Speaking of 2025, why don't subscribe to the channel? Because this year I am going for 50,000 subscribers on the channel, and I need your help. So Chonk can't do all of it for us. If you could click that subscribe button, that would be amazing, or leave a comment or a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated as well. And speaking of support, Yarbo actually has a really good support network. I had a couple of issues with one of the app versions, and I had a couple of issues actually with the, see, it get a bit long. I told you I need a pro lawnmower thing, but he just tries again, it's fine. There we go. Go on, Yarbo. Go. This is the beauty of robots. Yeah, they might get stuck, but you don't have to worry because you don't have to stand there and watch them, which I am right at, but never mind. I had a couple of issues with the data center, which is the connection to the Yarbo that is just behind me, and I emailed support and they got back to me really quickly. I think it was within 24 or 48 hours, really quickly via email, which is my preferred way of communicating. So I've had good experiences with the support. And here's the kicker. Yarbo is going to offer 5-year warranty on the Yarbo. 5 years, yeah, exactly. This is pretty cool. I have not seen this on any other, well, robot at all, but it's definitely not a robot lawnmower. And from the 15th to the 31st of August this year, 2025, you are going to get a complimentary upgrade to the 5-year warranty plan if you are one of the first 500 orders. That is a pretty sweet carrot. But you can read much more about that using the link down in the description if you're interested in it as well. But yeah, I like it. I would tell you if this wasn't a good device. He's struggling there. I need to cut this a bit more often. There he goes. He just tries again. I love that. Yeah, he figures out a way. But yeah, I wouldn't tell you if I didn't like it. I've had a couple of mowers that were no good. This I use all the time because it is that good. Anyway, if you have questions about any other things in terms of maintenance or how it's performed the last 5 months or anything else, I would love for you to put a comment down below because I'm happy to reply to any questions at all. But yeah, just a little bit of an update video for me here because it rarely happens that people on YouTube do videos on devices that far after they've used it or used it for that long, but I thought I would. And also because Yarbo had this fantastic offer of this complimentary upgrade. So let me know what you think. Would you get a Yarbo? Something else? Ask me a question, put it down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.